Uses of water. Water is very important to live. Like food and air, all living beings need water to live. We use it every day for various activities. Plants need water to prepare food. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. We need water for drinking, for bathing, for cooking food, for washing. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Rainwater that falls on the ground gets collected in the water bodies like ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. This water is called the surface water. Some rainwater seeps into the ground and gets collected over there. We need to dig wells to get the underground water. Drinking water. At home, we get water through taps. Water can be cleaned by boiling or filtering. Drinking water should be stored in clean and well-covered containers or bottles. We should drink 7 to 8 glasses of water every day.